Hello everyone. In today's video, I will explain to you how to take back your old Google data, a step-by-step guide. Feel free to comment if you have any questions or help. Let's start. I realized that some of the apps that I hadn't used in a long time still had access to my Google account. I quickly revoked these apps' access to my account, and I'll show you how you can do that too. Many apps often ask you to provide them with your Google account data. Such apps access your data and allow you to work with that data. However, once you've stopped using these apps, they'll continue to access your data long after you've stopped using them, years in my case. To review such apps, launch the Google My Account site and sign in to your Google account. In the site's left sidebar, click Data and Privacy. On the right pane, scroll down to the Apps and Services section. Here, click Third-Party Apps and Services. On the following page, you'll see the apps and services that have access to your Google account. To filter this list, use the Sign In with Google, Linked Account, and Access to options at the top. Then, select the app or the service you want to remove from your account. On the page that opens, Google tells you what items the selected app or service has access to in your account. To revoke this app's access to your account, at the bottom, click Delete all connections you have with app or service name. In the prompt that opens, choose Confirm. In the future, if you'd like to allow an app to access your Google account data, go through the account authentication process in that particular app. And now, let me explain to you how to sign out of your Google account on your unused devices. If you're signed into your Google account on devices that you don't use anymore, it's a good idea to log out of your account on those devices. This prevents anyone from using those devices to access your account. You can perform the sign-out process remotely without having access to those devices. To do that, launch the Google My Account site and sign into your account. From the left sidebar, select Security. On the right pane, in your Devices section, choose Manage All Devices. Review the list of devices where you're logged in to your Google account. Click the device you want to sign out of. On the following page, choose Sign Out. In the prompt that opens, select Sign Out. I hope I made that clear. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. More videos on my channel. Like and subscribe for more tips.